Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. Today I am going to share my success story. I am Dr. G. Pandirajan from India. I am an alternative medicine doctor. Now in Average, I am top manager, Indian Leadership Council member, Ethics Department member, and also member of World Peace. So, how I come like this, I want to share. I share my interesting story. My father is a big businessman. He have a lot of business, lack of knowledge, he lose lot of money. Because of stress, within short period, he passed away. There is my father, I am happy. No need to worry. After my father passed away, lot of problems coming because I am the one son and two sisters. Because my father borrow many loan from the bank, private, all these people rushing me. I don't know what to do. I really stressed, fed up because many people coming. Business loss. I don't know how to handle the business. I have no knowledge about that business. I cannot be able to continue that business. So all the business closed. After my father death, I'm thinking what to do. Lucky I study medical field. I have the knowledge in my job. So I tried to open clinic in India. I opened the clinic in India also. I faced lot of problem because of my father's loss, bank, all disturbing me. I cannot concentrate in India. That time my friends say, hey, better you go other overseas. I have one friend in Malaysia. Then I share him. He say, never mind, you come to Malaysia. You open the clinic. You have the skill. You have the doctor profession. You are an alternative medicine doctor. Why you come here? There you facing lot of problem. Suddenly I say, okay, I am coming there. Whatever I can face there. I put the ticket. I fly to Malaysia. Luckily in Malaysia, Mr. Kandaya Palaniappan, who is my applying in awards, introduced me. Actually he came to treatment, making me friend, and he say one day, sir, one business is there, Average. You can invest. That time is Skyway. Then I say, okay sir. Why I started to invest? Before I have no knowledge to invest. I scared to do business. Because of my father, I scared to do business. But after seeing many things, I invest in Bitcoin, I want to think. But 2018, I see the Bitcoin price is more than $10,000. Because starting time is $50. I say do one. $5, I say do one. Now I want to invest 10,000. I say do one. I thinking any other opportunity. That time this person coming to me, he say you invest in this project. If you invest $1,000, you can attend the Delhi conference in India. After you think better, you can invest more. I say okay. That time I came to India. There my lifestyle changing. I came to India. I joined 2019 June 31st. I came to India. I attend the Delhi conference. Wow, 6 hours our CEO speech. I really merged with his speech. And also I see how the future plan, everything I listen. And in next of me there is one Australian people, one US people. CEO asked who invested more than $1 million. They are raising the hand. Who invested $1,000? I am raising the hand. I think $1 million they invest means what business this is? So surely maybe something miracle here. Then I talk to them. Why? How you believe and invest more money? They say it's a good company. In future it will be like that, like that. They give some explanation. After from Delhi conference, I come to my Tamil Nadu. I'm talking about this average, nobody don't know. I think I am the first man in that my place. Then I started to explain many people. I know already this is a good one. So my relation, my friends, all I introduce, hey, this is a good one. Better you invest now because last time the Bitcoin also I scared to invest, but my friend one person now millionaire like this. One day it will be millionaire. Make it millionaire. So please invest. Like that I make the group. Like that I make the group. One day I think, okay, I want to go Malaysia. Don't. Better we stay and do here. Otherwise we do open one hospital or clinic. Then I started the average. Many people reject. How you believe that is a Russian company, US company? You know CEO Andrei Koratov? You don't know, but you see in Delhi. But how you believe? Anything happen? How you going to answer? Then I think I call Mr. Harvinder Singh. I see the number, the director of India. Who is that person? Harvinder Singh. Okay, we will put one call to him. I call him, sir. I am from the end of the India, Tamil Nadu. I am a top manager. In South India, there is nobody top manager. I have made one group. Then he asked me, in your structure, how many people? I said 230 people. Sir, one time you come to my place, I put one meeting, maybe I develop my business. Then he said, hey, you have only 220 people. Okay, I come, but the 220 people you can arrange to sit there. I say, okay, sir, not 220. I will arrange more than 1000. Okay, next week I am coming. Then I am prepared. Only 1 week. I call some people, all leaders, minimum leaders that time. I call them, immediately I arrange. I make big hall. 1500 people can sit in that hall. My leaders say, sir, we have only 30-40 people. You make 1500. If Harvinder Singh come there, he will laugh. Your image will spoil. I say, no, we think big. We can make it. Within 1 week, I do my best. Harvinder Singh coming, I receive him from airport to the place. The 1500 fully filled. There is sitting more than 1500 people. Harvinder Singh see, he very happy. That day only I know Ravi Kumar. He also doing in one place this business. Then I call him. He also bring more than 50 people in bus. So in that meeting, I make confident. Harvinder Singh say, wow, you do a best job in this South India. I am coming this South India first time. After 1 week, he made me the Indian Leadership Council member in Evo. So I think I want to do some more better and better. Later part, I do what now? I open one office, Everett office. Now I am sitting in this office. I will show you my office. 2019 December, I open one office, Everett office. I am paying the rent, everything I am paying, not company paying. Until now I have the office to develop my group. Now my group developing, giving training, whatever I am doing in my. Again I am doing training in other places. Recently I do one big training, nearly 500 people. I and Ravi Kumar do very big training. Somehow, in that training I bring the big investor, the number one world investor, Sahul Amit. I sponsor him. He take $500,000 purchase. First he believe me, after he believe the company. Everybody know, I think 220, he is the top seller. After that, I get more money. I get financial freedom in Everett. Also, I think my group also Marathon 260 course in Everett, MLCA Pro courses. I get lot of education. Even my group getting lot of education. Now in Action Takers group also, I have a good team growing very fast. Actually, I want to thank Mr. Armans for this opportunity to make all the professional leaders. 22 years you are a health doctor. Now you every time talking about wealth. Full time about financial freedom, financial education. Totally you changed. So I am happy because why not? 22 years I am giving health. In future I want to give more financial freedom, financial literacy to my community. This is my vision and mission. What CEO said, the same vision and mission I am also focusing. I also like charity works. I also want to be a World Peace member. So now I am in World. Now whatever I thinking positively, that one all happening now in my life. Lot of time I have the success. I have lot of story, my previous success story, many things I have, but here no time to share. But I am sharing you, success is not an aim, it is a continuous journey. If you success in your mind, it will be success anytime. So I want to thank Armons, Mila Madam, and our CEO Mr. Andre, and my team leaders, team members, and all over the world, Everrich family. I want to thanks. My plan in future, if I financial freedom get more, I want to not only free treatment, free medication, everything I want to give to the community. This is my dream. I want to give more and more. Now I extended my average. In Dubai I have one manager team. In Singapore I have one team consultant. In Malaysia I have one team in a consultant group. Now I am developing in all countries my group. In future wherever the country I will have the group. I have the positive thinking, surely I will have. What I thinking, many things is going on. Because I am every time thinking positive. Thank you.
This is Average.